Welcome to East to Learn. Now we are going to learn about an important algorithm called as PRIMS algorithm.
Now we are going to learn about PRIMS algorithm. What is PRIMS algorithm? It's a minimum spanning tree algorithm that takes a graph as input and finds the subset of the edges of that graph, which first point form a tree that includes every vertex. Second has the minimum sum of weights among all the trees that can be formed from the graph. I hope you did not understand anything. Yes, now I'll explain you by using an animated way. But before that, you have to help my friend in finding the treasure. Look at him, and I want your help to find the treasure. Now, find out here, the directions are given, but our pirate can jump. But he cannot jump on same color brick twice, that is again. The distance between the bricks are given, and I'll request you to help him out. Let's start. Let us suppose he's at this stage 1. So there are 4 paths that are available here, but we need to find out which one is smaller. Because 2 is smaller, so we'll go to the next level. Here we have stage 2, in which we have 2 paths, and which one is smaller? Obviously 4 than 6. So to the next level, that is stage 3. Again there are 2 paths that are available, so 2 and 3. So obviously we go to the smaller one. So finally and successfully he reached his treasure. So now it's party time. Right, that's it. That is PRIMS algorithm. Wondered, is it PRIMS algorithm? Yes, it is. Let me explain this with a graph. PRIMS algorithm is 90% similar to this. But before I explain you about the algorithm, my friend wants to talk to you. He wants to share the treasure with you, but a condition, you need to subscribe to our channel. Learn programming and make money in the future. That's your treasure. Okay, let's come back to the PRIMS algorithm. Here is a weighted graph, and you can start from anywhere. So I'm using the same pirate so that you can understand well. Right, things you should know. You need to cover all the vertices. And coming to the algorithm, this is not a formal algorithm, but remember the steps here. You can select any vertices you want to start from. With due respect to my English teacher, I am starting from A. Next, the second point, pick up the shortest edge from available ones. So edges connected to A are Q and 7. So obviously we'll go with the smaller one. So I'll use the edge 2 between A and F. So let us try to build the minimum cost tree. So here it starts A to F with a weight of 2. Now let's jump to node F. So we have 3 options here, 7, 6 and 4. But we'll go for the smaller one basically. So I'll select here 4, which is between F and C. Right. Now we are at E. So we have two options here once again, 2 and 9. So we know 2 is the smallest, so we selected it between E and C. So I have colored it in orange so that you can identify it. We started at A, then we moved on to F, E and C. Now we have two options, 5 and 9, but in order to reach D, and anyway the smaller one is 5, so we'll go for 5. We also have another option 4, but we don't use it because it will form a loop. According to the basic principle, we should not form a loop. So now 5 is the smallest, so I will consider 5. But remember, we did not cover the other vertex. Did you identify this? Yes, it's B. But according to the basic principle, we need to cover it. So for B, we have a couple of options. That is from C to B and F to B. But F to B, the weight is 6. So I compare with B and C, which is 9. So to select the smaller one, I selected F to B. So here all the vertices are covered and no loops are formed, and therefore this is our minimum cost tree. So what is the cost here? 2, 6, 3, 2 and 5. The total is 18. That's it. That's the PRIMS algorithm. Hope you understood it.
Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.